What if I told you science has already discovered things that sound more impossible than science fiction? No theories. No myths. Stay till the end. The last fact is genuinely disturbing. Fact 1. Your brain predicts the future. Your brain doesn't wait for the world to happen. It guesses first. Neuroscientists discovered that your brain constantly builds predictions about what you're about to see, hear, or feel, then updates those predictions if it's wrong. This is why you can catch a ball, read fast, or react instantly. Reality reaches your senses slightly late, so your brain fills in the gap. You're not experiencing the world as it is. You're experiencing your brain's best prediction of it. Fact 2. You have more bacterial cells than human cells. You are not fully human. Trillions of bacteria live inside your gut, mouth, and skin. These microbes help digest food, train your immune system, and even produce chemicals that affect your mood and mental health. Some studies show gut bacteria can influence anxiety and depression. If all these microbes disappeared, you would die within days. Your body is more like an ecosystem than a machine. Fact 3. Cold can burn you. Extreme cold damages your body the same way fire does. That's why frostbite feels like burning pain. When temperatures drop too low, ice crystals form inside your cells. Cold doesn't gently freeze you. It destroys your cells violently. Fact 4. The Earth has a pulse. Every 26 seconds, the Earth produces a tiny rhythmic vibration. Scientists call it the planet's heartbeat. This pulse likely comes from ocean waves crashing against the seafloor in a consistent pattern. It's too weak for humans to feel, but sensitive instruments detect it worldwide. The ground beneath you is constantly pulsing, day and night. Fact 5. Gravity isn't a force. Gravity doesn't pull you downward. According to Einstein, gravity is the bending of space and time caused by mass. Earth curves space around it, and you simply follow that curve. This is why astronauts float and satellites stay in orbit instead of falling. You're not being pulled to Earth. You're moving through curved space. Fact 6. You see the past, not the present. Light takes time to travel. Even light from your phone screen takes a fraction of a second to reach your eyes. That means everything you see has already happened. You never see the present. You always see the past. Fact 7. Humans glow in complete darkness. Your body emits light, literally. Chemical reactions inside your cells release tiny amounts of visible light. This glow is extremely weak, so your eyes can't see it. But special cameras can capture it clearly. You are glowing right now, just not bright enough to notice. Fact 8. Sound can physically shape matter. Sound isn't just something you hear, it's physical energy. Certain sound frequencies can move objects, shatter glass, or create complex patterns in sand and water. This field is called cymatics. Sound can reshape matter, proving it's more powerful than we realize. Fact 9. Your body runs on electricity. Every thought you have is electrical. Your nerves communicate using tiny electric signals. Your heart, brain, and muscles all depend on electrical impulses. If these signals stop, consciousness disappears instantly. You are not just biological. You are electrical. Fact 10. Time can slow down. Time is not fixed. It changes depending on speed and gravity. Atomic clocks flown on airplanes or placed on satellites tick slower than those on Earth. GPS systems only work because scientists correct for this time distortion. Time isn't absolute. It bends. Fact 11. Empty space isn't empty. Even in a vacuum, space is never truly empty. Particles constantly pop in and out of existence. This is called quantum fluctuation. Energy briefly appears from nothing, then disappears again. Nothingness doesn't exist. Space is always doing something. Fact 12. Memories physically change your brain. Every memory leaves a physical mark. When you learn something new, neurons form new connections. Your brain literally rewires itself based on experience. You are not neurologically the same person you were yesterday. Your past experiences reshape your brain structure. Fact 13. Reality isn't solid. Atoms are more than 99% empty space. What you feel as solid is actually electromagnetic forces repelling atoms from each other. You don't pass through walls not because matter is solid, but because invisible forces push back. Reality feels solid, but it isn't. Fact 14. You are always delayed from reality. Your brain processes sensory information after it happens. Vision, sound, and touch all arrive late and are stitched together by your brain. Your conscious experience is always slightly delayed. You are never perfectly in sync with reality. You live milliseconds behind the universe. Fact 15. Final banger. Reality may not exist until observed. Experiments in quantum physics suggest particles don't have fixed properties until they're measured. Observation changes reality itself. Distant particles can instantly affect each other, breaking classical ideas of cause and effect. This challenges the idea of an objective universe. Science still doesn't know what reality truly is. If this video bent your brain, subscribe to BrainSpark Facts. Because science isn't boring. It's strange, unsettling, and far from finished.